Boola! Hey everybody, Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Who wants to grab one of those nice green coconuts and have some boo juice, fresh coconut juice, throw a little Fijian rum in there? We are on the Peninsula District neighborhood on Denarau Island. This is Millionaires Row. This is one of the most premier precinct guard-gated neighborhoods, and we have a spectacular rental here for you with the aircon, ceiling fans, recessed lighting, really cool architecture. This is a 2-bedroom rental unit, fully furnished, lots of storage as you can see. Check that out. Great built-ins. Look at this bathroom. Check this out. You're gonna love it. Whoa! Massive rain shower there. Oh, that's gonna feel so good. Look at that cool backsplash, beautiful red pendant lights. Look at those sinks. Let's just get in on those. How cool is that, right? That is really cool. Well, we have this 2-bedroom rental available for rent on Denarau Island, fully furnished. Hey, and check that out. Look, you can see water views right there. There's your sailboat. Oh man, this is just so cool. Another one of the just incredible rentals that we have available. So you have a nice, great big room upstairs, totally open covered patio, and just across the way there is the Hilton Resort Hotel and Spa. That's right, spa. You can get some massages, great restaurants, and lots of things to do right here on Denarau Island. Here's the 2nd bedroom, lots of storage. Furnishings, modern, practically new with those down reading lights, big ceiling fan here, and palm trees to wake up to with the air conditioner. Another really modern, nice, beautiful. Look at that wand and rain shower there. This place is decked out, man. If you want something that's modern, look at this great granite island, huge double sink, dishwasher, stove, gas burner top, upper and lower cabinets, Fisher Paykel fridge, and yes, in-unit laundry. And we just came down these floating staircases. Isn't that cool? Look at that. There's nothing on the side. Look at that right there. And that is solid wood right there. And you can see they have the nice lights there. So if you're going up at night, you can find your way. Extra wardrobes for storage. There's that downstairs bedroom again. And just another look upstairs into that 1st bedroom. And again, your laundry facilities, Fisher Paykel, right here. Very nice. This is a really cute, great rental for a single person or couple. And you have a great big couch, flat screen TV, another aircon and ceiling fan for all that streaming Netflix and all those movies you want to watch after a great day at the beach or doing some fishing. And another room at the great room here. There's your side access. And then I'm going to swing it around here and you can see there is the golf cart. You want one of those? We can get one of those for you too. And just typical, look at that. That's just right there. There's Fiji right there for you. Nice outside shower, and then you have a little sitting area here too, right here in the corner, and a great bench here, nice tile, little grass area. So find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us +679 999 2051. This is just super cute, adorable, clean, modern, and if you're coming to Fiji full or part-time, this is a great rental because it's walkable to everything on Denarau Island and only about 15-20 minutes from the international airport. So we hope you're doing great. We look forward to seeing you here soon. And I'm gonna park it up right here at the bar, make myself a nice cold drink, and you'll be sitting right there. And we will see you soon. Manaka.